Hey there, welcome to the course. And before we dive into the code and the cloud, let's take a moment to answer very important questions. Why should we learn Terraform? So you have probably might heard the term like ISE. It is one of those buzzwords around floating around DevOps and cloud engineering and even automation. So in simple terms, Terraform lets you build cloud infrastructure. Like you will write a few lines of code and you will run a command. Okay, on CLI, you will run a command and your cloud environment will be ready with different services which you need. So this is about the Terraform. So it's basically like instead of clicking through like a different screen, like suppose you have to create a EC2 on the AWS, you click on different screens, you just go on the EC2 services, then you enter the name of the like EC2. After that, what you do, you create a security group, all these things. Okay. So instead of doing all those things, we will simply write a code and that we can use it anywhere we want. Okay. So now let's talk about what some of the regions like actual regions why you should learn. Okay. So the benefits basically we will see the Terraform. So first is speed plus consistency. Okay. So let's say you want to deploy an EC2, okay, and also database, okay. So we want to create a like RDS in relational database like Oracle Postgres, and also you want to deploy a load balancer, okay. So what we'll be doing? So the challenge here is you have to deploy this infrastructure in three different regions or more than that. Suppose you work in any project. So we have different environments like we have Dev, then we have SIT, system integration testing, then you have a UAT. After that, some are having pre-prod as well. Then we have a production. Okay. And you're a DevOps guy and you want to build this infrastructure. So it's a very time-consuming process. So what you will be doing, you will write a basically a Terraform code, okay? And that code you can use it to deploy in all these three environments, not three, more than three, okay? So you can use that everywhere, okay? So it's just like write once and use it at multiple places. And also let's talk about the next reason we have that is version control. Okay, so it is just like the application code, like we deploy the application code in the Git and then we have different versions of it. So if something goes wrong, then what we do, we just roll back and we go into the previous version. So that also you can do with the help of Terraform. You can integrate with the Git. Okay. Then the reason three we have that is cloud support. What does it mean? We have different cloud providers like in a market. If you see around, you will hear this only AWS, you will hear GCP, then you will hear about Azure. So with the help of Terraform, you can connect with all these three cloud providers and you can create your infrastructure on any of the platform or any of these cloud provider. Okay, so this is the some of the three regions like why we should use Terraform, and also about if we talk about like real use cases, and also companies like Netflix, Uber, all these companies like it creates their infrastructure in the production environment using Terraform. So whether you're a developer or you're in the cloud, you should obviously learn about this Terraform. And in this course, we'll start with the basics, and then we go on like hands-on from day one and slowly build up real-world projects, the kind that actually show up in the interviews and production environment. So that's it, and I will see you in the next one. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please hit a like, subscribe. Yeah, thanks you.